In this video, we're going to discuss embedded SQL. Embedded SQL statements are written in line with the program source code of the host language, such as C or COBAL. The embedded SQL statements are parsed by an embedded SQL preprocessor and replaced by host language calls to a code library so that you can identify them easier. They look like exec SQL statement. To compile embedded SQL in your program, it first needs a precompiler to translate the SQL into the host language statements or functions. Then the host language compiler translates the code you wrote into executable code. Embedded SQL was invented in the 80s, not long after SQL was invented, and it's not supported by MySQL database, but it's supported by Oracle. Most high-level languages like Python don't support embedded SQL. However, a variant of embedded SQL like SQLJ worked with Java, although it's not very popular or supported. The implementation in C for Oracle databases is the most popular one, and it's called ProC, Embedded SQL. You need a database connection prior to running embedded SQL queries in your program. A database connection verifies your credentials such as your username and password and authenticates you, and after establishing the connection, you can start using the database. And there's 3 embedded SQL statements to maintaining your database connection. There's connect to my database as connection name user, where you specify the username, using password, where you specify the password. That connects to the database called my database and creates a connection called connection name. And the database name is typically a host name followed by a port number. Then there's set connection name, which sets the active database to the connection name. You can have many connections, but only one active one at a time. And then there's disconnect connection name, which closes the database connection, releasing all resources. A shared variable is a variable from a host language that appears in a SQL statement. They have to be declared between the begin declare section and end declare section statements. And when a shared variable is declared, it specifies the data type for the host language for the shared variable. And they don't always match up to the precompiler needs to convert the data type. A cursor is used to retrieve rows from a query that has multiple rows in its result set. A cursor is a handle or an identifier for a SQL query and a position within the result set. When you fetch the rows of the results table, the cursor will eventually move past the last row in the table and no more rows can be fetched. The SQL state embedded SQL variable is able to detect this condition, and if its value is set to 00000, then the cursor is at a valid row. And in order to make SQL state and other embedded SQL variables available to the host program, run the include SQLCA statement. Dynamic SQL is embedded SQL statements which are generated or created at runtime. Dynamic SQL is compiled as the program executes. Static SQL are fixed embedded SQL statements in your program which are compiled by the precompiler, and they're faster than dynamic SQL. The host language code depends on the specific dynamic query, which makes programming with dynamic SQL tough. Dynamic SQL is most useful when the program generates a specific query type that does not vary often.